Hi, this is Resilient Kent Lau. Now, I received I researched and I found this list of GP clinics, and is available as a public data from Asia Assistant. Now, it has given us a very good list of data here. Now, however, it is in PDF. It consists of many pages, and if you want to copy this, let's say you go to the first page, right? You want to copy it. I'll just copy it and put it into Excel. And paste here. It becomes like this. So, but obviously I don't want something like that, right? So, can it be just copy and paste of Excel, but it will be like this one here, right? It will be just paste like that, and then if it pastes like this, then we can do an analysis to know that from the list we know that Selangor has a number of lists, right? Each state here, you can see the clinic is this. But if you look at this data here, it's impossible. So how to do that? Now, if you're using the latest Microsoft Excel 365, right, you have this option. You go to the Data tab, you choose the Get Data from File, and there is this From PDF, right? From PDF. Now you can look for the file. And then you can just choose the option that you can see right in the short file. And then you do some transformation, you can get the data that I see here. Yes, it's loaded, right? So I check on this select multiple. Now here you really need to take some time to combine it one by one. Okay. Yeah, it's really some time. So I just check on this here. Now it's still better than copy and paste, yeah, where you can see it earlier, it cannot work. Yeah, let's take some time to copy all this. Oh yeah, I can't do this because previously I have some data. But you get a hand, right? When you just do this time, right, you click transform and you can load the data into PDF file. And it will become like this one here. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll record another video to be more accurate. Thank you.